Creating weather app is a fun exercise. In this video, I'm going to create a simple Java console application which interacts with Weather API from Accuweather, and it will try to get information for a particular city, its weather information for that city, and display that information on the console window. The steps to create such an application are very simple. uh, you would register with Accuweather so that you can access their APIs. Once you register, you will have to also register for an app, and you will have to choose for the package. For our demonstration purpose, I have an account which has free tier access of Accuweather APIs. And then the third step is to create a simple console application which calls a particular API from Accuweather and displays the weather information on the window. So let's get on with it. For registration, the steps that you would have to follow are very simple. You go to this URL developer.accuweather.com, and here you would register for your own account. You would provide information, your name, last name, username, email address, etc. And after accepting the terms and conditions, you would create your account. After doing that, you will receive an email to confirm for your request, and once you have done that, your account will be created. So I have my account created and I have registered for an app. So let me go to the second browser that I have where I have logged in, and I have registered for an app as well. I'm logged in. I registered for this app earlier, and when you do that, you get API key, which is needed for making any API call to Accuweather. You also get different other options. Also, you get analytics, whereby you can see that what or how many requests are going over to Accuweather for your API key. So you can do that type of monitoring as well. And you could register a new app by just doing some simple steps. You will provide your app name. For testing purpose, you could go for limited trial, and all other information, a little bit of that only would be needed to create an app. And the packages and pricing information also is available here. For our purpose, we are only looking at limited trial, and for you, if you want to take your application for production usage, you can upgrade to the other type of packages as well. Okay, now let me copy the API key as it is needed for certain operations. Going to the API reference, for demonstration, I will be using current conditions API, and in current conditions API I would be using location API, and current conditions by location key is the API that I'm planning to use. And this here is the location key of city Los Angeles. So I would demo to get information for this particular city from the Accuweather API. So on their interface itself, you can see that what you are going to get if you hit this URL. So this is the information that you get. The weather is mostly cloudy, and you get the temperature details as well. You also get link to the Accuweather site, which will have more details. And from your application, you could direct your users to Accuweather site as well if there is any need of doing that. So it gives all this information with nice UI presentation. Okay, so this is the URL that we would use for our demonstration. Now let's go to the Java program that I have created. So this is a simple Java program wherein there is a get weather class. You have a static void main, and what I'm doing is that I'm creating a simple menu here, and which is get weather information, get wind speed, get weather and wind speed. Although I've only implemented code for option one. So when user provide option as one, what I do here, I have a switch case. I look for one as an option. The URL that I was showing on the Accuweather interface, I have that over here, and this has a API key appended as query string. Then I'm creating a HTTP client object, and I'm invoking HTTP get with this URL, and then I get the response as HTTP response, and there I'm converting it into string. I'm printing the response that I'm getting from Accuweather API, and then I am converting it into JSON so that I can easily fetch the information of particular attributes. Like in this case, I'm interested in getting the information of weather text attribute. So let me run the program. So there you are. So you get the whole text from the API response, and then the mostly cloudy part, which is the weather text information here. And this in the same fashion I can get the information about all other attributes too. So there it is. It's a simple demonstration how you can fetch information from APIs of weather services like Accuweather and use it for your own requirements and make this feature available to your own customers. Do let me know if you have any queries that I can help with, and thanks for watching.